It's London session and we took this sell after a big sell spike. We got the retest, we got the confirmation, and this is why we entered to the trade, my bro. Don't try to be a bitch trader who is trading with market breakout and breakdown. You have to get the retest and then you have to enter, bro. So I'm inviting you to my Telegram channel so that you can get 5 to 10 pips stop loss signals, and yeah, see you there in my community and enjoy the live trade. So my initial target was this low, and the market is clean and it's going down, bro. We will just hit our TP, bro. It will go that much down. Yes, let's go. We already hit our TP and it will go even more down. Look at this shit candle, bro. Look at the candle size, bro. It's going even more down whatever my trade is closed. And yes, this is how we trade, bro. We take the lowest risk ever and we trade like exactly that. And you can join my Telegram channel for getting this kind of 5 pips XL signal and make money with me, bro. And you can get my mentorship link in the description. DM me and you will learn everything live with me. So see you in the next one, guys. Peace out. I was joking. I'm out of the trade right now. Look at the candle. Peace out.